Hi class, in lesson 3 you will be learning about composite figures. Learning goals for today: you will decompose composite geometric figures into rectangles, parallelograms, and or triangles to determine their areas. And you will solve real-world problems by decomposing shapes into triangles and rectangles. Key term to look for in lesson 3 is kite. Please turn to page 31, activity 3.1, area of a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of consecutive congruent sides where opposite sides are not congruent. The area of a kite, like that of other quadrilaterals, can be determined by decomposing its shape into smaller familiar shapes. Mr. Graham sketched the kite shown. He asked his students to add a line segment that would divide the kite into two familiar figures. Please answer number 1 with your group. For number 1, to use Molly's strategy, you would need to know the length of the base AC and the distance from point B to point D, or the distance from point B to line segment AC. To use James's strategy, you would need to know the length of base BD, the distance from point A to line segment BD, and the distance from point C to line segment BD. Please turn to page 32. Remember, we use capital letters to describe a line segment. The letters AC indicate the length of the line segment that goes from the point at A to the point at C. Please answer number 2 with your group. For number 2, if we look at Molly's strategy, the area of the triangle is 3.125, and there are two triangles, so the area is 6.25 square centimeters. If we look at James's strategy, the area of the smaller triangle is 1.375, and the area of the larger triangle is 4.875. The sum is 6.25 square centimeters, so that is the area using James's strategy. Please turn to page 33, activity 3.2, area of complex figures. Decompose the composite shape in each image into parallelograms, triangles, and or trapezoids to calculate the approximate area of each. Show your work. Please answer number 1 with your group. For number 1, if we look at the entire back of the house, the dimensions are 32 by 12. 32 times 12 is 384 square feet, so you would need 1 gallon of paint. Please answer number 2 with your group. For number 2, the porch is going to be 100 square feet, the living room 232 square feet, the dining room 152 square feet, for a total of 484 square feet. When you multiply that by $1.20 per square foot, your total cost is $580.80. Please turn to page 35 and answer number 5 and number 6 with your group. For number 5, there are 8 triangles that each have an area of 67.5 square centimeters. So the total area of the shaded region is 540 square centimeters. And for number 6, one triangle is 0.875 square centimeters. There are 4 triangles, so their total area of the shaded region is 3.5 square centimeters. This will conclude Lesson 3 on composite figures. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. Thanks.